Good afternoon, dear mates and tutor. I will present to you the computer program mentioned in the survey. I select Elisa. The owner writes this digital where ACEA technical descriptions. For medium and large companies, it offers open, flexible, and fully parametric solutions that companies with maintain their investment may have when the legislation can undergo radical changes. Payroll manager and human management generates more than 500 predefined reports, allows payment to be made to employees located in various countries. The prices vary according to the customer needs. There are values from 62,400 per month. The contract handled with the entity of the basket was 136,112,73,800 including VAT. That is in Colombian pesos. The payment terms through the collection accounts and according to the progress of the project. Other information of interest. It is a project based in a management tool that integrates business information, optimizes process to attract, retain, or motivate the best executives and support future growth. Allows you to stop worrying about the department's operations and go further, providing tools to perform statistics, graphs, on key points, and manage an indicator. It is the technological solution that thoroughly manages the all areas of the human resources of the company, turning into added value their most important asset, intellectual capital. This is the graphic I draw about Elisa. This is a software for work. The service, it's a cloud standard. The characters, the price that I gave you earlier, and all the aspects about the software. Thank you all and good afternoon.